Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and creating the Jenkins file. Make sure the agent can run Docker commands. Once done, add Docker credentials to Jenkins and reference that credential ID in the pipeline environment so you can push images later. Clone or push your repo containing the Docker file and Jenkins file. Then, trigger the job. This first step establishes the secure, runnable environment and links code to Jenkins, which is why we don't skip credentials or agent access. Now you perform the build and tagging. You write a stage that checks out code, sets image and TAG variables, and runs Docker build with those values. This creates reproducible, traceable images. Make sure the agent has Docker socket or uses Docker in Docker, otherwise the build fails. Once the image is built, run a quick container in the same step to smoke test the app. This confirms the build succeeded before any push, reducing failed deploys. Finally, you authenticate and push the image to the registry. Use Docker login with the stored credentials, then Docker push the tagged image. Once pushed, record the digest or tag in build metadata for traceability. Make sure to use immutable tagging patterns so you don't overwrite important images. If something goes wrong, check authentication failures, network connectivity, registry URL correctness, and agent clock skew. These are the common culprits. Also rerun with verbose logs to see exact Docker errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.